you on a journey through the week. Japanese days of the week, so unique. 7 days, 7 sounds flowing like a stream. Learn them with me, living the dream. Getsuyōbi. Monday's here, Monday wash away the Sunday fear. Nan'yōbi. Tuesday's fire, fire day lifting spirits ever higher. Days of the week, Japanese soul, let the rhythm make you whole. Getsu, gasui-moku. Getsu, gasui-moku. Feel the flow, don't you stop. Kindonichi. Japanese days, they make me rich in knowledge. Every day's a gift, every song's a treasure. Japanese weekdays beyond all measure. Suyobi. Wednesday's grace. Water day, find your peaceful place. Mokuyobi. Thursday's strength. Wood day, grow in love at length. Feel the natural elements in each name. Earth, fire, water, moon. It's not a game. Ancient wisdom flowing through the modern days. Japanese calendar in its mystical ways. Listen closely to the sounds within youbi means desu. Water pure and clean. Moku wood so green. King metal strong. Though earth all along. Nichi sun so warm. 7 days in perfect form. Friday shine. Metal day everything's fine. Saturdays Earth, Earth Day celebrating worth Nichi-yobi. Sundays glow, Sunday let your spirit flow. From Monday's moon to Sunday's sun. 7 days and we're never done. Learning Japanese with soul and style makes the journey so worthwhile. Makes the journey so worthwhile. Days of the week, Japanese soul. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, can you see? Youbi, youbi. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so free. Nichi-yobi. Sunday completes our melody. Now you know them, use them right.今日は何曜日ですか? What day is today? Shining bright. 今日は月曜日です. Today is Monday, no stress. 明日は火曜日です. Tomorrow is Tuesday to express self. Japanese days on every shelf. Living language, breathing words. Flying free like soul music birds. Flying free like soul music birds. Flying free like soul music birds. Days of the week, Japanese soul. Send what's up to make us whole. From Getsu to Nichi, we've learned them all. Japanese weekdays standing tall. Element by element, day by day. Learning Japanese the soulful way. Moon and fire, water and wood. Metal, earth and sun so good. Getsu gasui-moku. Kindonichi. Japanese days, they make me rich in culture, language and in soul. Japanese weekdays, that's my goal. Let the music play, let the learning flow. Japanese days, wherever you go. Yeah.